Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a monster. This is just a generic version monster, kind of, it's going to be pretty cutesy, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to be using just a marker. And let's get started. Really simple, okay? We're going to draw a bit of a square, but soft and round. It's going to be a square head. Pull up a line. Pull down. It's going to be a horn. Pull up a line over here. Another horn on the opposite side. Throw some lines in there, just for this design's sake. A little hill. Another little hill. We're talking for the eyes. Lines for the bottom of the eyes. Pupils. Covering up there and leaving the highlight. The mouth, top part of the mouth, bottom part of the mouth, teeth, little tiny tombstone shapes for the teeth. A small shape for the tongue. And that's pretty much it. A very, very, very simplistic monster. Very cute, just plain something to start off with. And you can kind of create your own. But yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you watching. I hope that was easy. If it was, click that like button. Also, I'm going to be posting every single day until Halloween, so please follow along, and I will talk to you guys soon. So, see you later, guys.